Hi, today I will tell you how you can fix the error code 100150 when you are playing the game Chrono Odyssey. Just follow the steps in this video and your error should be fixed. First, go to the website or the official page of the game and check if the server is down or you might be having disconnection in your system. First check these things, and if the error persists, you must restart your system. And after restarting, go to the Steam and run it as administrator, and then click on the library, then go to collections, and here you will find the game. Go to the game and click on the installed files. Now you have to verify the integrity of game files by clicking this button, and after it press the window button and type control panel, and from the control panel go to the Windows Defender firewall and then click on the turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. Now you have to turn off these both options. They are not recommended, but in order to play the game you need to choose these options. And once you have followed these steps, your error should be fixed. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.